Welcome to Sky TV, where we get financially lit. And in this video, I'm going to explain how I got and maintained my 750 credit score. So now, let's get started. So currently, I have a credit score of 763 according to TransUnion. These are the top 3 tips that I learned on my credit building journey. Tip 1 is only use 30% of your credit card limit. Credit card use is one of the factors that determine your credit score. If your credit card limit is 1,000, you need to use 300 or less at all times. When you start utilizing over 30% of your credit card limit, your credit score will begin to decrease. I learned that tip the hard way, but I'm hoping you do not have to, and that is tip number 1. Always utilize less than 30% of your credit card limit if you want your credit score to increase. Tip number 2 is stay away from opening new lines of credit. One factor that determines your credit score is your credit age. Whenever you open a new line, whether it's a credit card or line of credit, etc., you are averaging down your credit age. So let's say you got your first credit card and 3 years go by, and now you have an average age of 3 years because you have one credit card on your record. The moment you open up a second credit card, you now have to average that 3 and 0. Your average age would drop down to 1.5 years. That will then decrease your credit score because your average age dropped. Credit bureaus want to see people who can maintain and manage their current credit card lines without having to continuously open up new ones. Again, I learned that the hard way, but hopefully you do not have to. So that is tip number 2. Stay away from opening new credit lines. Now we on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 should be a no-brainer to most, but that is pay all your bills on time. Payment history is another factor that determines your credit score. You need to be paying all your bills on time or at least within 30 days from the time that it was due. A lot of people do struggle with this, but I tell people you need to begin practicing good financial habits so that you will be able to pay your bills on time. And on this tip, fortunately for me, I did not have to learn this the hard way, and I have 100% of all my payments made on time. So those are my 3 most valuable lessons that I learned getting to my 763 credit score. 1, only use 30% or less of your credit card limit. 2, stay away from opening new credit lines if you don't have to, if you don't need it. And 3, pay all your bills on time every month. Good credit is obtained by practicing good financial habits over a long period of time. A lot of people practice bad financial habits for 5 years, 3 years, and they crash their credit score. Then they try to find ways to increase it to 700 in 3 months. That is not how you get good credit. Yeah, you can find somebody to go and fudge this or dispute that, but you still need to understand good credit building skills. It's good financial habits that build credit. But enough ranting. That wraps up the video for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any credit building tips you want to share, please comment them down below. Thank y'all for watching. This is Sky TV, where we come to get financially lit. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna see y'all at my next video. Peace.